First, it started as a joke on the internet between Martyn Ford and Sajad Gharibi. But 3 years later, and these guys were ready to take it to the ring at the O2 Arena. The fight turned out to be surprising on several levels. But perhaps the most shocking surprise of all was Sajad Gharibi himself. Turned out the so-called Iranian Hulk wasn't a Hulk at all. Everything we saw and knew about him on Instagram was simply the work of Photoshop. Had Gharibi been able to take his opponent down, perhaps that could have distracted observers from his fake physique. But he miserably failed at giving Ford a worthy challenge, and it only made the awkward revelation more glaring. After an embarrassing outing on April 2nd, 2022, and a couple of complications, the match was moved to April 30th, 2022, with Gharibi given the option to save face and back out. Of course, the Iranian Hulk refused the offer and decided he would go ahead. Fortunately for him, Ford would later decline the offer to fight Sajad, as he claimed he didn't want to be responsible for Gharibi acting out on his suicidal urges in the event that Gharibi lost the fight. For context, Gharibi had opened up about his mental health issues, family challenges, and suicidal contemplations on national TV. Still, even if these two guys won't be meeting to give us the fight of our lives anytime soon, we can at least imagine how these two would do when pitted against each other. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So, without further ado, let's meet our fighters. Martyn the Nightmare Ford. Martyn Ford is a gym trainer and bodybuilder that became an internet sensation for his muscles. Thanks to this amazing physique, Ford has won several bodybuilding competitions and has appeared in several shows and films. The 40-year-old, who was known to be a lanky 6' 8" man in his 20s, was once severely affected by a cricket injury, which caused him to completely lose shape. However, he decided to pick himself back up, starting off a rigorous weight training program. Soon, Ford was back to being a giant again, weighing 320 pounds. Sajad Gharibi. On the other hand, we have our next fighter and challenger, the Instagram star Sajad Gharibi, or like he is popularly called, the Iranian Hulk. Regardless of the fact that the influencer has a huge following and has appeared in major publications and on TV, a lot of things about him still remain in the dark. One thing that remains certain, though, is that Gharibi grew his massive following by means of his massive muscles and feats of strength, which he posts. The superweight generated controversy after his face-off with Martyn Ford, where it was finally confirmed that he was not 6' 2" like he claimed on social media, nor did he weigh over 400 pounds. The Iranian Hulk had simply photoshopped his photos to make him look better. Well, after his fight against Ford was indefinitely canceled, Gharibi went on to face the Kazakh Titan, who ended up destroying him in the ring, till all Gharibi could do was literally run away from the punches. For someone who had a lot to say about getting his revenge on Ford, that sure wasn't impressive. Anyway, now that we've looked into the careers of both fighters, let's see how things might play out if these two actually have a full, uninterrupted fight. Needless to say, the results might not be so shocking, but there are a couple of factors that are not so obvious, but still worth considering. As usual, our decision will be based on the following categories: fighting pedigree, physique, skill, and improvisation. And for each of these, we'll be awarding 10 points. Naturally, the fighter with the highest number of points will be declared the winner. Fighting pedigree. Awarding points in this category might be a little tricky. First, we have Martyn Ford, who never got his debut match against Gharibi. Then there is Sajad Gharibi, who completely flopped his debut match. So, with no clear record or valid experience, judging based on strength just may not cut it. And so, for this round, both fighters get 6 points. Physique. Both of these contenders were considered fit to take on each other, or so we thought until the face-offs. Ford currently stands at about 6 foot 8 inches tall while weighing about 320 pounds. Gharibi's numbers, on the other hand, are quite sketchy, although we know for sure that Ford towers over him. So with that, Ford wins this round with 9 points, while Gharibi has 6 points. Skills. Regarding skills, we can already tell that Gharibi lacks those, as he showed in his fight against the Kazakh Titan. But on the other hand, Ford is very fast with his hands and doesn't hesitate when it comes to throwing those nasty and powerful punches. Many are of the opinion that, unlike the image Gharibi painted on social media, he is in fact untrained, or rather needs more training. Whatever the case may be, if these two had gone head-to-head in the fight, it's no doubt that Ford would have wiped him clean. That said, Ford gets another 9 points, while Gharibi has 5 points. Improvisation. In this category, it is not clear if either of these men has had any prior experience with other martial arts to give them any upper hand. However, those power punches that Ford has loaded up his arms could really do some damage. All Gharibi ever boasted of was taking his revenge with no clear means of how he was going to do that. However, we can tell that if there's anyone who would be pulling off any surprises, it's most likely going to be Martyn Ford. So for this round, Martyn Ford gets 8 points, while Sajad Gharibi gets 6 points. Verdict. Now before we go ahead to call out the verdict, it is important to acknowledge that Gharibi's fight against the Kazakh Titan happened at a bad time for Gharibi. This is not an attempt to dismiss the Kazakh Titan's win, though. We're simply saying that we haven't exactly seen the best of Gharibi to be able to make an ultimate decision. Nevertheless, we have our verdict. Based on our categories, the winner of this match with 32 points is Martyn Ford, while his opponent, Sajad Gharibi, comes in with 23 points. With all that Ford was going to take into this match, and rightly comparing it to the person we saw to be Gharibi, we can be sure that Ford will once again drop the Hulk to the ground. Keep in mind, however, that these are just points based on the categories we considered. The fight could have gone down a lot differently, but I guess we'll never know. That said, what do you think? Do you agree with this verdict? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would love more content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you are the first to know when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.